To enable and use app-specific volume in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to select sound and vibrations. After that, we can find the app-specific volume. If you select it, you'll be able to enable this option, and now to actually use it, basically what it is in concept, it allows you to adjust the volume specifically for apps. So you can have different volume, for example, on YouTube while listening to music, and then a different volume on other app, for example, Audible, that you're listening audiobook on. Then when we have that established, let me show you how to use it. So we need to open an app that actually plays a volume. It won't work unless there's a sound. So it needs to play a music or any sound to be able to adjust it. So here we have YouTube. If I start playing this specific song, we can click on the volume button, go to this option right here, and then adjust the volume only for a YouTube. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.